Hi everyone. Today I'm going to demonstrate you an experiment which got scientist Albert Einstein the Nobel Prize. He got the Nobel Prize for this experiment, what we call is the photoelectric effect. He didn't get the Nobel Prize for the famous theory of relativity, which is E equal to mc square. So what I'm going to do is today this is the basically experimental setup. I have got a zinc plate, okay, and the zinc plate it will be negatively charged. So I'm going to charge this zinc plate with a negative charge, and this zinc plate will be placed on an electroscope. So when it is negatively charged, you will find that the gold leaf will be repelled. You will see the deflection of gold leaf when a charge is placed. Now, when I put a normal light, whatever may be the brightness, the light from a normal lamp, you'll find that nothing will happen. But when I put a ultraviolet rays, which are of higher frequency and lower wavelength, what you will find is the electrons will get ejected. Okay, so the electrons will be emitted, and you will find that the gold leaf will retract. So this is what we are going to demonstrate. So what I have now, this is the zinc plate. Okay, so the zinc plate should be shining. If the zinc plate is not shining, you'll find that the effect will not take place. And the zinc plate has to be negatively charged. If you charge this with a positive charge, this demonstration will not take place, because for the electrons to be ejected, this has to be negative charge. So here we go. This is the zinc plate, and now I'm going to give this a negative charge. So I have got an ammonite rod, and this will be I'll rub against a silk. You have to rub it for 10-15 seconds so that it gets a sufficient charge. And now I'll transfer this charge to the zinc plate. Okay, and now I'm going to put a normal lamp light on this, and what you will find is nothing will happen. So this is the normal lamp. I'll put the lamp on, and you see if there is any deflection of the electroscope. You can see nothing will happen. There's no effect of a normal light. So the electrons emission does not take place when the light is normal visible spectrum. Only when we put the ultraviolet light, and you see what happens. So let's watch. Now I'm going to put the ultraviolet lamp, and you just see. You see the electroscope leaves are coming back. So this is what we call is the photoelectric effect, and this simple experiment, it required a scientist like Albert Einstein to explain this phenomena. So why it is happening? If you see the electronic configuration of the zinc, it has its atomic number is 30. And so this is the electronic configuration. So it has got two electrons in 4s2. Okay, and when it is negatively charged, the electrons are captured so the electronic configuration becomes 4p1. So this extra electron, only when the UV light of a proper frequency, proper wavelength is put on the zinc plate, these electrons get ejected. So it is not the brightness of the light which is responsible for the photoelectric effect. It is the light, one photon of the correct frequency. Then only the photoelectric effect will take place. You have to make sure that when you are doing this experiment, you should use protective glass, because the ultraviolet rays are not safe if it's directly exposed to skin or eyes. So normally doing the experiment, we use EV glasses, so that yeah, basic safety is ensured. And you have to make sure that you don't do this experiment when the humidity is high, because if the moisture is high, the experiment may not work. And the zinc plate should be shining, and you have to make sure that you give a proper charge. So you have to rub the ebonite rod for 15 20 seconds. Thank you. Thank you for watching.